me better when I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm excited for today's video. It's been a minute since I filmed a celebrity makeup recreation type of video. I know y'all, well, if you're in the makeup space online, I know y'all have seen this makeup look from Zendaya on the Odyssey premiere red carpet. When I tell you I literally stopped scrolling, she looked so good. She always looks good. Her Law together, they just create magic, okay? But that might have been her best look down. Hair, face, outfit, all of it looked fire. But that makeup, I said, I need to recreate that. And I actually already did. I filmed a different video with it, and then I saw it and it looked good. And I was like, I know they're gonna say, go ahead and give us this makeup look. So before y'all even see it, I'm gonna just go ahead and film the video. So if you guys would like to see this, I'll post a picture. This makeup look recreated, let's go. Okay, so like I said, I technically already did this, so I've figured it out and, got a little tweaks to make it look even more like the picture. However, let me point out before I show you the eyeshadow palette that I am using, I bought this before everything happened, everything popped off, okay? And I already own it. That's why I bought it, because it was a neutral eyeshadow palette and I need a neutral palette for this eye look. So that's okay? This is the eyeshadow palette we are going to use today. It's from Patrick Ta. It's their Major Dimension eyeshadow palette. And see, why can't people be normal? Can't have nothing good. Nothing. He did apologize to Esther, but still, can't have nothing. As you can see by the picture, she has a very bright inner corner and kind of under eye. So that's gonna be like the main focus of this video, because everything else is pretty similar to what I do every other time I do my makeup. So recreating the eyeshadow, I'm actually going to start, I'm going to start with the really bright shade in my inner corner. And yes, it's like you're going to put concealer on, but it's just that it's going to tie into each other. Okay, so take my brush, and I like the shape of this brush because it kind of just like fits right into that inner corner. Ooh, sure. Y'all can see that. Okay, so you see we're already getting there. We're already there. So I'm gonna take this color, and it's really gonna be my like crease color, but main lid color as well, because it was a pretty eyeshadow look, but it also was not like the most complicated. So, and yes, gonna get it on that inner corner that we already put down, because we're gonna go back with that anyway. But not too much, not too much. Then I'm gonna take this color and use that to blend in this shade with the concealer that I used to clean up my eyebrows. And then going back with that lighter shade. Okay, so it's like we're in there, but we're not, right? So then last thing I'm going to do for eyeshadow is this deepest brown right here. It's almost like she has a brown winged liner, but it's eyeshadow. So just kind of create a winged liner-ish, but blend it into the brown that's already there. Now TT can be a little shaky, so if you notice that, no you don't. Like you see how the darker liner really kind of blends in there. She does also have little like baby wings, so I'm going to add that in. I'm gonna have to do that off camera because literally my hand would be like this. You wouldn't even see me doing it. Okay, so that is eyeshadow for now. I'm gonna hold on to this brush. These brushes are from BK Beauty. This is their 205. I'm gonna hold on to this one because we are going to come back to that inner corner, because you'll realize by the time you finish your entire face, and then having to blend in with concealer, it'll fade away a little bit. So I'm gonna go back in with that towards the end. But moving on to my face, anything that I do not show specifically in this video, like primers or anything like that, will be in the description down below, like literally everything on my face. However, I told y'all the main focus is going to be the eyeshadow and concealer, because that's the only thing that's different for me and how I do my makeup. So, okay, so for concealer, I'm gonna use the NYX Wonder Snatch that I've been telling you guys about. This is in the shade 21 Cappucino, but as you can see where I placed it, we're really gonna focus it like out here, because that inner corner, we finna go in with a different concealer, like really brighten it up in there. Like, you see how it's legit like slanted like that? Yeah. So for my inner corner, I'm gonna use that Hourglass Airbrush Vanish concealer. I told y'all the other day I only break this out for certain makeup looks. This is one of them, because you see how bright it already is. I'm gonna let that sit there for a little minute before I blend out. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my contour, the rest of underpainting. When I tell y'all I'm talking an under eye so bright, I literally broke out the Laura Secret Brightening Powder. This is in the number 2. I used to abuse this back in the day. Okay, but it's gonna get us what we need today. I literally, ooh, I feel a cough coming. All right, y'all, we getting there. We getting there, okay? Mind you, I'm also trying to film a TikTok for the rest of my face. So the YouTube is getting eyeshadow, concealer, and then TikTok, Instagram are getting the other products that I use on my face. So having to go back and forth between the two, but we're going to finish up the eye look. So the same brown eyeshadow that I used to kind of, oh, I forgot to put eyeliner. It's okay, she only had a baby eyeliner on anyway, so I'll just do that when I'm done talking. But I'm gonna use that on my bottom lid. Not too much, not too much. Just. And this brush, if you're wondering, is from Sigma. It is their E30. Okay, and one last round in that inner corner, again, because we're going for bright, and now the concealer's done, so we can really like blend the two in. So this bright shade right here. And just right. Oh, see, and that's why I be doing stuff off camera, because you're not gonna see it anyway, because that's how close I gotta get. Okay, so like I was trying to show you, the last step was mascara. This is from Essence. It's their What the Length Extreme Lengthening Mascara. I done told y'all there are very few more expensive mascaras I would spend money on. YSL probably the only one. Mascara you just do not have to spend a lot of money on, because you can find drugstore mascara that is very good. When I tell you this gives me bottom lashes, this is what I've been using in my most recent videos. So yeah, y'all, that is it for this look. And I just know I'm gonna do this makeup look over and over and over again, because first of all, hello, it's simple. It was like, what, 2 eyeshadows? And it just looks so pretty on the face for it to be a simple makeup look. So absolutely positively did that. Like I said, even though I didn't go through every single thing on my face, every single thing on my face will be linked in the description down below. Let me know if there's any other celebrities makeup you would like me to recreate. And yeah, that is it for this video. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Mind you, I ain't got nothing else to do today. Like, I don't have anywhere to go, so no one's gonna see me in it, and I really don't have anything else to film today. It's always those days. It's always